I have been reading plenty of the short stories in the past couple of weeks and found the lessons behind them truly wonderful. So I am going to tell you a short story which will definitely inspire you. So the story's name is The Elephant Rope. A gentleman was walking through elephant camp and he spotted that the elephants weren't being kept in cages or held by the use of chains. All that was holding them back from escaping the camp was a small piece of rope tied to one of their legs. As the man gazed upon the elephants, he was completely confused as to why the elephant didn't just their strength to break the rope and escape from the camp. They could easily have done so, but instead they didn't try to at all. Curious and wanting to know the answer, he asked a trainer nearby that why the elephants were just standing there and never tried to escape. The trainer replied, when they were very young and much smaller, they used the same size rope to tie them, and at that age, it was enough to hold them. As they grow up, they are conditioned to believe they cannot break away. They believe the rope can still hold them, so they never try to do it all. The only reason that the elephants weren't breaking free and escaping from the camp was that over time they adopted the belief that it just wasn't impossible. So like the elephants, how many of us go through hanging onto a belief that we cannot do something simply because we failed at it once before? Failure is a part of learning. We should never give up the struggle in life. So the moral of the story is, no matter how much the world tries to hold you back, always continue with the belief that you want to achieve is impossible. Believing you can become successful is the most important step in actually achieving it. Thank you.